All right, in this video, we're going to learn that right there. That's the intro to the Beatles classic. Amazing song, absolutely phenomenal song in my life. So stick around. I'm going to show you exactly how to play that. All right, welcome to Ukulele Pros. I'm Terry Carter. I'm glad you're here, and you're going to learn this. It's actually not that hard. It's a little tricky, but not that hard. I know you can do it. Just stick around. I'm going to show you step by step how to play the intro here to In My Life. But if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe to the channel and then click the link below, because if you do those two things, that's it. Click the link below and subscribe. There you go. You're going to be automatically entered to win the monthly ukulele giveaway we do every single month right here on my channel. Matter of fact, we have a playlist where you can go and see those giveaways if you want. All right, I'm going to be playing my Koloha Black Label. Doesn't matter if you have high G or low G, because we're not even going to use the fourth string at all for this. This is my tenor. This is my personal Black Label. But if you need a new ukulele, Koloha, Kanalea, Kamaka, or Miros Creations, Kala, Ohana, the Terry Carter, or Ukulele Pros brand ukuleles as well. Enya, Flight, Pono, whatever. We got it all. The #1 store, store.ukelikethepros.com. Make sure to check it out. All right, what else do we need? All right, let's just dive into this thing. We don't need to keep this thing very long. All right, so here it is again. So you could do this with your thumb. If you want to do the whole thing with your thumb, I ended up doing a little bit of fingerstyle, but you're going to start right here on the 3rd string, 1st fret, and you're going to go, and then 1st string open. And usually what I'm doing is I'm hitting my thumb and then my index, my middle finger on the 1st string. So, and then I'm gonna hit my thumb, and that's gonna be a hammer on from 1 to 2. So notice I only pick it once with my thumb, and I hammer on my 2nd finger on the 2nd fret to get it, and then open 2nd string, and then pinky on the 4th fret 2nd string. That's it. So it's like this. Let's get it a little cleaner. There we go. All right, again. 1st fret, 3rd string, open, and then hammer on, and then open 2nd string, and then 4. All right, let's do it twice, because the intro will actually do it 2 times. Let's do it a little faster. Do it 2 times with me. Here we go. Ready, and. One more time, and. Dee, 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 dee. All right, we're not going to get into the song. We're just going to play that. By the way, it is in the key of A, and it is the original Beatles key. So if you like that, check out ukelikethepros.com. That's my instructional site. We have over 20 courses. Crazy. We got fantastic memberships, fantastic Ukulele Pros Nation. We got giveaways. We got challenges. We got workshops. It's all over there. So anyway, check that out, ukelikethepros.com. I appreciate you being here. Leave a comment below. What do you think? Did you get it? If not, just practice a little bit. You can get it. But anyway, appreciate again you being here. Make sure to subscribe. Click that link to be entered to win the free ukulele giveaway. And if you want to find out more about us, check out our Patreon page. We give that kind of stuff, the tab and all that stuff, to songs like this to our patrons, and also follow all our social media channels. So that's it. I'm out of here. Have a good one. We'll see you later.